Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Explanation. So today I have come with some interesting topics. So this topic can be useful for school students, college students, higher level students, or the students who have enrolled in engineering or who want to learn the programming languages, who want to go for software development and others. Okay, so it is useful for students or persons of all ages who want to involve in programming. Okay, so today I have come with some important topic, that is some programming languages for beginners. Okay, so if you are a beginner and you want to learn programming language, so there are some 5 easiest programming language that you should start with. Okay, so you can see here the first one is HTML and CSS. Okay, so HTML stands for hypertext markup language and CSS stands for cascading style sheets. Okay, so HTML, it is used to build the web pages using tags including text and images, links and many more. So whatever web page you are seeing on internet, that is made, the front end is made using HTML and CSS. Okay, so only HTML, it will not give you the graphic design or the UI design or different visual effects. So for that we use CSS along with HTML. So it creates visual styles for different elements of web pages. Okay, and using both of this HTML and CSS, we can do web designing, graphic designing, UX and UI designing. So in your lifetime, if you are involved in programming, in some part of your life you will come across this HTML and CSS. Even I did this HTML and CSS programming during the beginning of my engineering days. Second language that you should learn is JavaScript. So JavaScript, it is used to make your web page, whatever web page you built using this HTML and CSS, to make it more interactive, to add animation and all, you will need JavaScript. Okay, it is also used for web and mobile application development. Third one is Python. Okay, it is one of the most important programming language today. So I think among students, 90% of students today, they want to learn Python because of its simple syntax. You don't have to write major syntax. It is very close to the natural language. It is very easy to learn. So using this Python language, you can start web development, machine learning, a number of algorithms and a number of libraries files are there in Python. You can be a data analyst, a server management, a software building. Okay, so generally data analysis part or data mining is done using this Python language. So I think among 90% of students today, they use Python language to build their project. And this is a very hot language, you can say, in today's market. Fourth language that you should learn is C, C++ and C#. So I think C and C+, these two languages we learn or we practice in our engineering syllabus. It is in our engineering syllabus. So we learn this in first semester and might be this in second or third semester, I think. And C#, it is not included in many of the syllabus, but you can learn this. Okay, so among these three, C is the oldest language. This is known as father of all the languages because they teach this in first semester. It has a good syntax and you have to follow a certain syntax, and it is used in operating system development, hardware, firmware and embedded software applications. Okay, after learning C, you can go for C++. So C++ is object oriented programming language. It can be used in video and game development. After C++, then you can learn C#. C# is also object oriented programming language. This can be used for software development, game development and mobile application. At the end there is Java. So it is also one of the most important language. Okay, so if you go in any industry, if you want to practice coding, so this Java language is one of the most important language they ask you. Fine, so this is used in software development, mobile and desktop development. It is a cross-platform language. You can write a code and you can use in other platform. So if you see Android applications, I think all of you have come across Android game or Android phone and all. So whatever applications is built in Android, that is built using Java. Okay, so again, all these 5 languages have their own importance, so you can learn this according to your need. Now let's go, let me tell you how these languages looks like. Okay, so sorry for this. Okay, so you can see here, this is the syntax for HTML. Okay, you can see this is syntax for HTML. This is the syntax for CSS. If you see, we have choose here color, font size, font weight and line length, everything. If you see, this is the syntax for Java. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax for printing just a hello world. So you can see all these you have to write here. Similarly, for JavaScript, it is a scripting language. So using Notepad, you can, this code is going to print hello world for JavaScript. If you are writing in Python, see, it is the very simplest language. You have to just write print and hello world. No syntax is required. If you are going to write this program in C, you have a certain syntax here. If you are going to write the program in C++, this is the syntax. And if you are using C#, then this is the syntax. Okay, so these are the syntax of the programming languages. They look like this. So if you are a beginner of programming language, please go and start with one of the programming language. You can either start with C, you can either start with HTML or Java or JavaScript. Okay, thank you. So in next video, sorry for this mess, and in next video I'll be coming with some other concepts. Till then, stay safe and thank you.